Hello, in this video I'm going to go over some of the advanced recording features. So if I go into a topic and I actually click on the student view here, then I'm going to be able to add a new video. Go ahead and log in with my Google account and that will bring us to the camera. Hi. So there's a couple things you are probably already aware of, the sticky note and also the show topic if you need to see the prompt again while you're recording. So those are things that students should know. The filters are available here, so you can turn on various filters. Then there is add text, so I can add some text just like that, and I can move that around and resize. So when I click the text, I do want to click on the color that I want because I can't change that after I've added it, but I could add multiple text boxes. If that text is too big, then you would just resize it by clicking and dragging like that. So it's not like you choose the text size. Then you have stickers that you can add for an element of fun. The drawing tool can be very powerful. You can annotate anything on your slide. I like using the undo if I make a mistake. And then there is a whiteboarding feature if you want to be able to just ink up a blank board. I'm going to show that in a moment. And then there's also a custom sticker, and that's a way to kind of upload any picture from your desktop that you might want to ink up or just present some slides from a presentation. So I'm going to show those features in this video as well. Finally, there's these options. You can actually upload a video clip if you want, add a custom sticker, so that's an option to press it there, or it does the same thing that this button does right here. And then the last thing is to record with audio. You can turn that on or off. If you just want to create something without any audio, you can turn off audio. So I'm going to get started on recording because what I've done right now is I've laid out the background, but I'm not actually recording yet. So this is kind of like setting up my scene. I'll get my 3, 2, 1 counter, and now I'm actually recording, as I can see. So I can talk, and I can actually ink up while I'm talking, and so this will record as I'm talking at that time, and we will play it back and see what happens in a moment. As I am creating my recording, I can change over to the whiteboard mode if I want. So if I click on the board, and then I click on whiteboard, there's also blackboard. I'm going to choose whiteboard right now. I can clear my board and then start inking. You can change colors as you are drawing, just like that. That's all I want to do for right now. I'm going to press next, and it will preview the video for you on this next screen. 3, 2, 1 counter, and now I'm actually recording, as I can see. I'm going to mute my volume for a moment. As you can see, the writing happens as I'm talking in this one, and when I switch over to the whiteboard mode, I just see the whiteboard and then my inking as I am talking. So that's really nice. When you do go to this next screen, something that a lot of people aren't aware of is that I have more editing features here. So first off, if I click on the clip, then I can edit if I need to take off anything from the beginning or the ending. I can do that. So that's like a trim clip, and then press confirm. So again, to do that, what I did was clicked on the clip, and then I get these little bars so that I can trim the clip. Press confirm. And there's also an add more feature, so I can add multiple segments. So say that I wanted that introduction, and then the next scene is actually a video clip that I had recorded on my phone, and I can upload that. So now I have my intro clip, confirm, and then my second clip right here is the video that I uploaded from my phone. So I have multiple clips right here. I'm going to confirm. I can add another clip as maybe an outro. I'm going to clear, but let me go back to my actual camera. So I'm going to click on the whiteboard and then do no board. So I'm back, hello, and then continue recording. Add my outro clip, whatever I want to add right here. And then when I'm done, I will just press the next button. So now I have my 3 clips. If I needed to do any more editing, I can actually move around the clips to reorder them if necessary. And now if I'm done, I could just press next, but maybe there's something that I forgot to add in. There's one more little thing that I wanted to talk about. Go ahead and press add more and say, I really wanted to show you this image upload feature. So let's do add custom sticker and say I wanted to talk over a presentation that I had made or a clip that I had found on the internet here's a little clip that talks about all the different options that you have for recording in Flipgrid, and say that I wanted to talk over this. Well, what I can do is upload it as a sticker or an image first. So go ahead and set your scene. And then there's not really a pointer in Flipgrid, so I could either use a drawing, or let's just add one more little sticker, and let's use that as our pointer. And I'm just, again, setting up my scene right now, so I'm going to let it stay in the corner. Students can also use this as an alternative way of doing a screencast. So this is just a little bit simpler, so they could, take a snapshot of each of their Google Slides, for example. If they have 5 different slides to present, just upload them picture by picture here, and they would have 5 different segments. So now if I record, then I can just move my little sticker around and say, well, right here is the exit video, and then I have my time remaining counter right there. I can choose to add a sticker by clicking this right here. And so that's how I could just talk over whatever I have uploaded as my sticker. And now I'm really done. So I'm going to press next. But of course, that clip was at the end, and this was my outro clip. So I can actually drag and drop to reorder however I want to reorder in that next screen. And so now whenever I'm done, I can press the next button, and I'll have the opportunity to take my selfie and then upload it to the actual grid. So those are some of the advanced editing tools that are available in Flipgrid. Hope this helps. Bye.